Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to force restart a frozen or stuck Samsung phone. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, to force restart a frozen or stuck Samsung phone, let's go ahead and locate the buttons first, okay, on our side panel. So as you can see here we have our phone. Now, the side panel, we have these buttons. So locate the side power button, which is right here. Again, sometimes it's called power off button or the side button. Okay. And then go ahead and find the volume down button as well. Now, what you'll do is to go ahead and to hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously for about 15 to 20 seconds until your screen changes or turns black. All right. Once it turns black, a Samsung logo will appear. Well, that means it has successfully force restarted your phone. Again, to do it, hold the power button or side button with the volume down button simultaneously until it force restarts your phone. Now, after that, if your screen stays black, well, go ahead and connect your phone to a known working wall charger for at least 15 minutes, because a completely drained or failing battery can cause the phone to freeze up and look dead. Also, ensure that your phone case isn't jammed against the buttons, keeping them accidentally pressed down. And that is how you force restart a frozen or stuck Samsung phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.